So let's start. Yeah, hi friends, this is Ravi Kiran from Ravi Kiran Tech Logs. Yeah, last video we have installed 2019 operating system. So this video I'm going to install roles. I'll update you. I'll start with the basic role like promoting to domain controller. Let's start. So I'm able to log in with local administrator account, and if I click local server, yeah, I can see DC01 and DC01 and work group is work group, so it's a default. And I have added Ethernet IP address, and remaining is everything. Yeah, if you want to add any role or roles or features, you need to click here, begin. Okay, next, role based or feature based installation. So click next and selected the server name and next. So we have here 21 roles are there in 2019, 21 roles. So based on all the each role there will be a different application will be installed. So if you are going to install Active Directory, so you need to select domain services. So let's start with domain services. First video, click, and we are not clicking anything, so simple. We are selecting Active Directory domain services. Click next, and no need to select anything. These are the features. So we have 60 plus features are there, so we are not selecting anything. Default domain services role, and next, and if required you can select or just click install. Now Active Directory domain services and group policy management is installing. A default you will have Active Directory PowerShell module also, and Active Directory Administrative Center also is going to be installed on 2019. Yeah, please watch till end, and if you like this video, and please share and subscribe my channel and click on bell icon, so my next upcoming videos on 2019. Okay, now installation started on DC01. And if you need more information, you can comment on comment section on this video. And future installation is starting. Okay, now configuration required, so installation is completed success on DC01. Click next, click close, and if you click here, it is prompting, so message promote this server to a domain controller. Click this. See, deployment is started, so it is asking to select the deployment operations. So now we are going to install a fresh domain controller, so first forest. So click add a new forest. So we don't have any domain controller, so we are going to build new one. Okay, so Ravi Kiran Tech, I'm going to give ravikirantech.com. Click next. If you have already existing domain controller, you can select top icons. So select the functional levels of the new forest and root domain. So I am giving 2016. So if you have any legacy servers need to be added in your network, you can select the required functional levels. So by default 2016, so I'm not doing anything, so I'm selecting the same. I'm giving active directory restore password. So if any domain controller crash or anything during restoration, the password is required. So click next. And another one thing, while installing active directory, by default DNS will be updated. So click next. So it is verifying the domain NetBIOS name. And click next. Yeah, this is the Active Directory and database log files and sysfol folder location. So you see Windows NTDS, you can have all the Active Directory database and log files and sysfol volume information. So click next. So review options. So which options has been selected. So we can view here all the information, functional level, domain functional, and DNS. It by default it will be configured, and global catalog while promoting Active Directory, that is the default, and database and log files is full, it is default locations. So click next, and it started. It is verifying the prerequisites on this domain. Okay, everything done, so it's showing successfully. Click install. So installation will start now. So waiting for DNS installation to finish. Okay, now group policy management console needs to be installed, and domain services installing now, and schema updating. Yeah, default like it's a 1300 objects, so it is decreasing the objects, so it is creating the Active Directory partition. You can see like configuration, DC is equal to Ravi Kiran Tech, DC is equal to com. So we are configuring ravikirantech.com domain. So all the services are installing. After installation, the server will be restarted. Okay, installation completed. So by default it is restarting. So the computer is being restarted because Active Directory domain services was installed or removed. So we have installed. So now it's restarting. Yeah, restart is completed. So now applying computer settings. So it is prompting to log in. Now it is showing Ravikiran Tech / administrator. So Active Directory services is installed successfully. Let's see. If you open Server Manager, you can see what services are installed. So we have installed this domain services role. So you can see here below also. Once it is refreshing the dashboard, you can see here Active Directory Administrative Center and Domain and Trust and module for Windows PowerShell and sites as services and Active Directory users and computers. You can verify Active Directory users and computers. You can see the Active Directory database install. Yeah, if you expand here, so you can see built-in and computers and domain controllers. You can verify here. So DC01 is a DC type is global catalog, site is default. So this is the Active Directory. So default security groups, So yeah, if you like this video, click like and share and subscribe, and click on bell icon so that my next video will be alerted you. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.